Donald Trump regards legal branch and its decision. White House, Washington. President Donald Trump respects judicial branch and its governing, the White House said on Wednesday as his political rivals hammered him for being disparaging of a federal judge who stopped his disputable movement boycott document. Picture of U.S. President Donald Trump. AFP. There's no inquiry. The president regards the judicial branch and its decision, White House Press Secretary Sean Spicer told journalists at his day-by-day news conference. Asked if Trump would acknowledge the courts administering, Spicer said the president will regard the decision, additionally voiced confidence that the organization will prevail on the merits of the case. Spicer said Trump's concern at the present time is national security. I imagine that his worry honestly at the present time is that when the law is, for example, it is, that anybody can translate that any other way. I think he feels certain, simply like in the decision in Boston, that we're going to win on this, on the merits of the case, since it has done as such in an exceptionally lawful way, he said. He, nonetheless, affirmed that the U.S. law gives the president constitutional expert for this official order. He pointed that the law says that at whatever point the president finds the passage of any outsiders or of any class of outsiders into the U.S. would be hindering to the enthusiasm of the U.S., he may issue decree, and for such period as he might deem necessary, to suspend the section of all outsiders or any class of aliens as workers or non-settlers, or, then again, force on the entry of outsiders any confinements which he may regard fitting. Trump a week ago lashed out, finished a court request to block the movement boycott, saying on Twitter, "The supposition of this so-called judge, which basically takes law implementation away from our nation, is absurd and will be toppled." President Trump's questionable official request barred entry to all displaced people for 120 days, and to travelers from Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria and Yemen for 90 days, activating turmoil at U.S. airplane terminals and worldwide condemnation.